About how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Facebook app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Facebook app, or just click on search. Then here at Facebook app, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then you come to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store, click on Play Store here, and here you search for Facebook app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.